Good afternoon. We are Group 1, and in this presentation, we will show our data on how often teenagers check out products online through SPSS. I am Hector George Lopez, and together with my colleagues John Menard Cañeda, Shara May Caldito, Caitlin Cushion, Joanne Lynn Madatu, and of course, Dan Matthew Picardal.
For the given data set, the problem that was given is teenagers aged 13 to 16 were asked how often they check out products through online shopping applications for 3 days. The name of our construct or variable is how often teenagers check out products online, in which we have also listed the numerical values of our data below, which are as follows: 11, 2, 12, 5, 7, 1, 8, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 4, 6, 10, 4, 7, 8, 6, 7, 10, 7, 3, 11, 2, 9, 7, 3, 8, 7, 3, 9, 8, 7, 10, 4, 3, 5, 6, 9, 7, 10, and 6.
But before that, as you can see, there are decimal values which are already fixed. You can change this by going through the variable view and click on the decimals and change it to 0 in order to obtain a whole number. Then, also in the variable view, since the given data set is ordinal, slide your scroll bar to the right and go to the scales of measurement and change it to ordinal.
After listing all the values, we are now moving on to the next step on how to find the frequency, percent, value percent, as well as the cumulative percents, or the frequency table in general. We first highlighted the data on the upper corner of the screen, and then next press Analyze, and the toggle of the descriptive statistics will be shown there, in which you have to click the frequencies. And as you can see, our variable is at the left side. And now all we have to do is move it to the right side.
Then, we're going to click on charts and choose histogram, as it is also an understatement to use this graph, since our data is discrete. After which, click the word OK, then as you can see here, our data is already fixed. We can see here the value of n, which is 44. Then the frequency, which shows also a value of 44. And the reason why frequency is important in a data set is because it helps in understanding the distribution of occurrence of data points. For the percent, this is crucial since it provides an overview of the entire data set and helps in assessing the scale or magnitude of the data.
For the valid and cumulative percentage, it is also important since it is useful for analyzing the cumulative distribution of values and understanding how much of the data falls below a specific threshold. For our histogram, the x and y axis was plotted certainly, in which our y-axis contains the frequency that represents the dependent variable in a graph or chart. It indicates the values or measurement associated with each category or interval on the x-axis. The y-axis helps in understanding the magnitude or frequency of the data being plotted.
Furthermore, the x-axis containing our class intervals provides a visual representation of the different categories or values being analyzed. In the histogram given below, the x-axis represents the range or intervals of data. The mean in our data is 6.91, with a standard deviation of 2.76, and our n, number of variables, is 44.
These aspects, when combined, contribute to data visualization and statistical analysis by providing a clear depiction of a dataset's distribution, frequency, and cumulative properties. They aid in data interpretation and understanding, making it easier to detect patterns, trends, and interactions, which is pretty cool, right? Well, you've heard it here first. Again, we are Group 1, and it's our pleasure to present.